Hello my Hello Kitty fans, this is Hello Gabby and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to announce I am doing my very first Christmas giveaway. Hello Kitty and Opie partnered earlier this year for must-have collections. I am giving away a brand new Opie nail polish advent calendar that reveals a mini Hello Kitty nail polish to count down the 25 days leading up to Christmas. This is a must-have collection from the Opie Hello Kitty collaboration. So, what are the rules to enter? You must be subscribed to my channel. Subscriptions must be public. Like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, tell me what is your favorite thing about Hello Kitty or any Sanrio character and friends. Comment equals entry, only one comment per entry per person per account. Winner must claim prize within 7 days or I will choose a new winner. Winner must contact me by email within 7 days of winning. I will reply to winner via email within 48 hours of being contacted. Note, the sooner you contact me, the sooner I will reply. Prizes will be shipped 5 days of hearing from the winner. You must be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. It is only open to U.S. residents. Nail polish is considered hazardous and it is an internationally prohibited item to mail to another country from the USA. Good luck to everyone!